Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your address on the Sprouts app for where you want to have delivered. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Sprouts app. Next, click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Then, click on Account Settings. Then, click on Addresses. And then, this is where you're going to enter your new address or your current location and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your address on the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.